Hey guys, my name is Sydney, and this is Dozer. Dozer, are you trying to get the nail away first? Yeah. So, I'm gonna play with some slime, and then I'm gonna take a bath, and then I'm gonna, so the next video is gonna be doing my hair in a different hairstyle. So there's 2 videos with my hair wet, doing my hair, and, I'm going to be doing it in a different hairstyle. I don't know what hairstyle. But before I do that, I'm going to play with some slime. And then I'm going to do it. So, my slime, I think, is over. Ah! Okay. So there, and there. Hey, Dozer, are you back in here? You gonna come back in, please? I think in a video I'm gonna be making slime. I don't know which video it's gonna be. Hey, boy. Yay. Okay. So I'm gonna get this. Hey. Say hi. Look, say hi. Say hi, boy. Say hi. Good boy. Okay, you can go back in the living room. I'll throw you a no. See? Got it. Good boy. Okay, so I have my plate right here, just in case I need it. I don't really need it, but only for the big slime I might need it. And then I have this. There's a show on, and my sister Mandy is FaceTiming someone, so that's why if you hear something, that's what it is. Okay. My hair is so messy. I got back from school, like, not just now, but... Hey, what is it? It's okay. Good boy. Okay. So, this has, like, gems in it. This is the same slime that, if you saw the video that my nieces played with these same slimes, I'm just gonna show these slimes right now. It's not the type of slime that's supposed to stretch. It feels like rubber slime, like rubbery, like a rubber slime. Hey boy. Okay. So now I'm gonna flatten it out. Y'all probably can't that much see. I'm gonna put it right here. This is like a toy one. Hey, it's okay, boy. I have a knife that I'm gonna use. I think it's in here. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna use a knife because one's not in here. Hey, Dozy. Okay. I'm gonna spread it. Well, make it clear. This is clear slime. But like, I added a little bit of white. It's supposed to be clear slime. It's not that clear because like I added a little bit of white. So let's get on to the next slime. Oh yeah, and then look. It farts a little bit. Hold on, let me make it fart. Okay. It won't really fart right now. It farts a little bit sometimes though. So I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay. So I have a plate. So this is not the big one. This is like an inside of a beauty blender thing. Okay. So this is like a inside of a beauty blender. It was like a squishy beauty blender, and I kept it just to like show y'all. And it's really sticky. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So it was just to show y'all. And it like popped the beauty blender. It was like a squishy one. So let's just get on with the next one. This one has like these little rocks in it. This feels like fluffy slime. So fluffy slime is not supposed to poke that much. Well, like it's supposed to make like a fluffy sound when it pops. Ready? Or I mean, when I poke it. Just gonna. Okay. Oh no! It's falling. Okay. I'm gonna roll the plates out. I was gonna say, I'm gonna roll this out. Okay, there. And the other is this really, really pretty big blue one. It's pretty big. And this one is really big. The teeth. Rocks are falling over. Honestly, what I'd do. Go with it. It's like hair. Like flipping. Okay. So I'm gonna. And why I'm wearing this jersey is because it was Jersey Day today at school. So that's why I'm wearing a jersey. Okay, just real quick, I'm gonna make like a swirly thing. I'm gonna try to make a bubble with this one. Whoa. Whoa. it made like a little bubble, like a little bubble, but then when I went to show y'all, it went away. Okay, guys, well, that's the end of this week's video. And make sure you subscribe. And bye.